If you are confused that when will the physiotherapy cap round start, or where does the physical verification of documents take place, or what should be your college's ka preference list and how should you make it in the best way. So in this video, I'll be discussing all your doubts. So if you're interested, then yeah, let's go. Hello everyone, hi, I'm Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student, and I hope you are doing fine. And welcome back to a new video. So, I recently got an email from this girl which actually said, yeah, so the email says that, hi, myself from Maharashtra. I really love watching your videos and very informative. It really makes me very clear about the processes, colleges which should I have to fill in preference list. But I am also confused that when will the cap round start and how will the verification of the physical verification has to be done before cap round or after allotment of colleges. Please clear this doubt, I request. And she has put her marks and she has asked me to suggest like her a preference list, etc. etc. So yeah, this is the email that I have gotten. And after reading the email, I actually thought that a lot of her questions are kind of similar to the doubts and everything that you all have been asking me in the comment section. So I felt like let's just make like altogether a complete video on this topic. तो आई फील अगर आपके ये वाले टाइप के डाउट्स है तो everyone's doubts get cleared. So yeah, let's sort this out completely. Again, I'm back with my notebook, completely written everything down. So for now, as all of you all of course now know that key the counseling process takes place on the CT Cell key website, where you have to go in the NEET UG section and everything. So now that the portal page has notifications and messages and all those sections, तो उसमें अभी if you observe carefully तो MBBS का राउंड 1 ही हुआ है अभी तक. So MBBS के राउंड 1 की सीट्स एंड एवरीथिंग अभी उनका फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन चालू है. So the physiotherapy camp rounds will start basically when the MBBS have the round 2 or 3 going या उनका खत्म होने आया होगा. Yeah, so basically the physiotherapy counseling process will start once the MBBS BDS rounds are like coming to a end. So make sure you all like keep checking the CTK website if there is any new notice, because जैसे if you see MBBS का पूरी schedule का notice आया था, वैसे ही group 3 के courses में जिसमें physiotherapy आता है, for that also a proper list would be generated on the website. And of course even I'll also let you all know on my community post or like post a video related to it, so you all also know ki schedule again when I was supposed to fill the required details. So for now, like if you all are joining in some deemed college or something like that, so like for those colleges the admission would have already started because they have their own private exams and everything. But if you like want proper admission in an MUHS affiliated college, which is a government or a private college, then you all need to wait because still the counseling for like proper college ki counseling has not started, and you all can only apply now in those colleges ka counseling list if you have properly registered and applied, like given all your documents जो पहले का एडमिशन एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस था. सो जिसने वो किया है, एंड इफ यू हैव सिलेक्टेड ग्रुप 3 देन यू विल बी एलिजिबल टू select colleges which will be from group 3, or else you are not eligible to select those. Also, by the way, there is a registration. You all would have obviously put your phone numbers and everything. So CT also sends SMS and everything to you all. So I guess कुछ तो चालू होगा. So you all will receive a SMS as well. Yeah, the next thing I would like to talk upon is the document verification. So you all would have obviously uploaded all the documents का list and everything वो list के हिसाब से. But अभी वो जो verification हुआ वो online verification और online verification होगा, and you don't have to submit it. That is just like a CTK website पे you uploaded and your verification everything that you are the person who is applying everything. All of that is done. बट द मेन फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन विल हैपन व्हेन कि अभी तुम लोग ने प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट में कॉलेज डाली, फिर यू गॉट लाइक अ कॉलेज इन राउंड 1 and then you went there to take admission. So when you're filling all the admission details, that time you all have to do the physical verification of your documents, that which means that college will take certain documents from you and everything. So that time the physical verification जो बोलते हैं that takes place. Like there is a whole list of the formalities, admission formalities that you all have to take place, that you all have to do when the proper admission process will start. So round one में if कोई college allot हुई and you are going there, so you have to do all the formalities, that have to fill forms and everything. And जो भी वो list है documents का, वो सबको you all have to take xerox, you all have to give original, etc etc and submit it in the college. अभी से कुछ भी सबमिट नहीं करना, फर्स्ट यू सी तुम्हें कौन सी कॉलेज लग रही है एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, and then you have to go and submit. So for now, take a pause. You don't have to do anything with your documents. Just you have to make sure all your documents are properly on the website of CT. And अगर तुम लोग का आईडी पासवर्ड डाल के एक बार देख लो कि डॉक्यूमेंट्स के आगे रेड कलर से कुछ एरर या समथिंग, डॉक्यूमेंट नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, समथिंग लाइक दैट, if an error is coming, then re-upload that document if the option is showing. Talking about the main important thing, which is the preference list. So I actually made this one video prior talking about the preference list choose karni hai, on what basis you all should decide, and talked about a lot of parameters like hostel, infrastructure, clinical exposure, faculty, extracurricular, etc. etc. So preference order में basically you will have to put colleges in the sequence you want it. For example, if you stay in Nagpur and you want Nagpur ki hi college, like you all have some personal reasons and some personal commitments which due to which you won't be able to go to Mumbai or Pune for a study. So you want to study from Nagpur only. So do not put any colleges from Mumbai in the beginning. अगर तुम्हें वो गलती से लग गई, so you will have to take that college and you would have no option. So filling the preference order in the right manner is very, 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 very important. I cannot exaggerate enough on how important a preference list, a preference order is, because last year I made a mistake because of which I feel I could get a college better than what I am. Like I am in a very good college, that's what, and I like my college. But I feel I could have gotten a better college if I would have not made the mistakes and everything. And she also asked, like she put her marks and asked me कि कितने marks पे मुझे कौन सी college मिल सकती है. So if you see last year का cut off, so the paper difficulty levels, the increase in the interest of people coming to physiotherapy because of NC, AHP, neurals and everything, like they will vary. It won't be the same. So if you only rely on last year's cutoff and make your preference list, so I feel it won't work. It is not recommended at all. कोई पूरी guarantee नहीं सकता है. You have to use your brain and make your own preference list very, very properly. I feel take your time and understand how to exactly do this. You have to use your brain and make your own preference list very, very properly. And I feel take your time and understand how to exactly do this. And I will also be making like a proper video on round one, round two, because a lot of you all might have confusions like अगर राउंड वन में कॉलेज मिली तो राउंड टू में चेंज नहीं हो सकती, राउंड वन में मिली और राउंड वन में नहीं ली तो राउंड टू में कॉलेज मिलेगी कि नहीं, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. So I will be properly answering all those questions in the next video. But for now, I feel you should mainly focus on द कॉलेजेस की तुम्हें कौन सी कॉलेज चाहिए कौन सी नहीं चाहिए, एंड properly think and analyze on that topic. And if I talk about like practically explaining you all, so I would personally suggest to put government colleges first and then private. Like government के भी खुद के pros and cons है, private के भी खुद के pros and cons है. But I feel government college gives you a lot better exposure to a lot of things, I feel. And again, like government colleges, I feel KM is the best government physiotherapy college. उसके बाद you all decide about according to your location and everything. If you stay in Mumbai, somewhere near Sion, and if KJ is more favorable for you, and if you can afford the fees, because KJ की fees is like around 2 or 3 lakhs, I guess, and समझो कि KM की fees लेंगे तो it is around 40-50 thousand per year. So you see financially also what suits you, and a lot of things matter. But I feel सबसे ज़्यादा the clinical aspect, because आगे जाके you want to become a doctor, right? So how much of the clinical exposure you get in your UG का course only will matter a lot. I mean, take your time properly and understand the like the how to fill and everything. Talking about government versus private colleges, I feel the most important thing is that it should be MUHS affiliated. And if you are by any chance confused कि government ले या private ले, visit the colleges, talk to seniors, talk to the faculty members there, etc. etc. So talking about government or private colleges, it differs, it matters according to you, what is suits for you. For example, you are someone who doesn't want like a lot of clinical load on yourself, because in internships of that college, for example, after finishing 4 years of academic, you have to do 1 year of internship. So like अगर तुम्हें वो पूरा clinical जो load मिलेगा वो नहीं जमेगा, so you go for private, because I've seen that गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स जो गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस की अफिलिएटेड होता है गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स, तो उसमें देयर इज लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ क्लिनिकल लोड, यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंट्स टू अटेंड फ्रॉम different categories. Also, ज़्यादा questions I have gotten mainly for like, I get this marks में this college, will I get this marks में this college? Look, of course, I can guide you on what college you can get, but I feel that you don't see marks अभी के लिए. If you have gotten 200 or 300 and if you feel that KM is your number one option, डाल दो ना. What if something happens, some good luck or something, or something your category or anything can matter and तुम्हें वो college शायद से मिल जाए. So don't just see like if you have gotten 200 and you know that you won't get KM, so it's not like you don't put that college. At least put that what if, there's always a what if. So I feel don't see your marks एकदम prominently. जो college तुम्हें चाहिए उसे पहले डालो. And I will also suggest, for example, if तुमने KM डाली, टोपीवाला डाली, LTMC, whatever you put the colleges का नाम. After that you only put 5 colleges and you think उसमें से तुम्हें एक मिल ही जाएगी. So I feel that is not correct. At least for like round one, you can still experiment, but in round two and round three, you should have backup options. जिसमें तुम्हें ऐसे admission मिलेगा and you will be like, okay, fine, I'm okay by getting admission in this college also. So I really need to make sure that you have like a proper list that तुम्हें चाहिए. I completely understand you all have your goals, you all have your dreams जिसमें तुम्हें admission चाहिए. But make sure that you don't miss out on seat, considering if you only want the best college, etc. etc. And I feel this video was short and I hope it clears all your doubts for now, because I feel इतना ही मुझे acknowledge करना था, because till now proper the schedule for physiotherapy colleges and sorry, the schedule for physiotherapy admission has not come yet. So I feel this will actually bring us to end of today's video. This was a short one, I agree, but I feel जितने भी मुझे बोलना था, I've spoken enough on every topic that has been asked to me. Oh, I got one more question, that MUHS affiliation का कुछ तो form है. So are we supposed to fill that or not? So no, you're not supposed to fill any form for now. First तुम्हारी college allot होने दो, because I got allotment at my college and after that we were asked to fill this huge form, and college वाले ही they call you in roll numbers and make you fill that form, something related to MUHS only. So you don't have to fill anything. I feel you don't have to do anything for now till तुम लोग का proper dates आए. So just focus on like the college you want. Make a good preference list जो तुम्हारे हिसाब से will suit your likings and your interest and etc etc. By the way, if you all want to know about my preference list, like what exactly I did for my preference list, so I did not put 4 government, I only put 3 government in my round one, which was KM, Topiwala, and TMC. And I did not want to go to Nagpur because I stay in Mumbai. The fourth college that I put was Terna, fifth I put KJ, and sixth I put MGM. I only put 6 colleges in my round one. From that, I actually got one college which I wanted, and I'm in that college. मुझे round वन में college लगी, उसके बाद मेरा कोई upgradation नहीं हुआ. After I did not get a government college, by the way. Then in round two, after round one, I realized that one college from the government, due to some reasons, I don't want that. सो राउंड 2 में मैंने सिर्फ 2 कॉलेजेस डाली, द 2 गवर्नमेंट, एंड राउंड 3 में मैंने 2 गवर्नमेंट डाली। एंड इन माय राउंड 1 द कॉलेज आई गॉट, आई डिड नॉट फिल एनी रिटेंशन फॉर्म फॉर दैट, क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि आई स्टिल ट्राई इफ आई कैन गेट द टू, दोनों में से एक गवर्नमेंट आई वांट, बट आई कुड नॉट गेट इन राउंड 3 एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट वांट टू गो अहेड, आप जा भी नहीं सकते हो आगे स्ट्री वैकेंसी एंड एवरीथिंग में। So then I confirmed my admission in that. If I did not have gotten any colleges from round 1, जो मैंने 6 colleges डाली थी, then I would have definitely in round 2 started putting like जो भी मुंबई की colleges है, like DPO थाने वाली या सिया मेडिकल, or there's one more Lokmanya in Kharghar, YMT, all of these. Like what I would suggest, round 1 में तुम्हें जो चाहिए वो अच्छे से डालो, and keep your targets right. And if you get one of those colleges, then well and good. But तुम्हें लगता है कि नहीं अभी cut off, you can obviously change your preference list in every like there are 3 rounds. So हर एक round में you will be able to change your preference list, right? So round 2 में then you should put something like जो अभी तुम्हें लगता है कि भले you did not want this was your second priorities, तो उसको डाल दो, because I feel something is better than nothing. You don't want to go to the next year just because of a college. And at the end, तुम like how you exactly are, how your personality is, how your like you should be able to stand up, shine in between all the students. That's what matters. Of course, academics, clinical, everything matters. But at the end, it matters कि how you are able to shine up. For example, but the clinical exposures in KEM are best, but if you're not able to take the 100% out of it, then it's of no use. So I feel whatever college you all go in, it's fine. Whatever college you all go in, do well there, etc. etc. So if you want and if you have any further doubt, like I mentioned, I would be definitely making a video on how the rounds and everything will work. After that, I was thinking like when the schedule comes, once I'll take a moment and explain those schedule to you and everything else. So there are like a lot of things that I have planned for you all further, and I feel this video ऊपर ऊपर से तुम लोग के सब doubts clear हुए होंगे. So I feel with that this brings us to end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one and it was helpful for you all, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for further more precise counseling related videos. And I hope you all don't make the mistakes that I have made like just last year. So yeah, I properly guide you all on the basis of like मेरी mistakes तुम लोग ना करो, etc etc. So yeah, with that I bring you all. I'm just saying this for like the 10th time. With that we come to end of this video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.